3, pati yung love affair ni Lance, pinakikialaman ng family. Pero eto naman, sa amin, they're very open, they're very supportive, whatever, kumbaga, I choose whatever my decision is. Yun.
Well, for me naman, just like Yumi, he waited for the right one. And I believe din na yung pagmamahal, hindi talaga minamadali yun. And ako, kung kayo talaga in the end, kahit na ano pong mangyari, kahit na marami pang hadlang, yun, kung meant to be talaga kayo for each other, kahit na ano pong mangyari, kayo talaga in the end.
Hi, good evening. Yung tanong ko, sa inyong dalawa. Approximately, how many percent would you say I do to Enchong or Eric? Talaga may man.
Well, approximately. Hindi, approximately, ano ba? Kasi, katulad nga ng sinabi ni Erich kanina, hindi madali yung bagay na, kasi kapag magsasabi ka ng I do, either yes or no lang yun. Walang 5, walang 7, walang 3.
So talagang 100% dapat kapag nag-say I do ka na.
Kapag handa ka na. Kumbaga marami kang kailangan i-consider ng mga bagay. Like, you have to be mentally prepared, financially stable, yung mga ganung bagay, spiritually ready, yung mga ganung bagay. So, you have to think twice, thrice, before saying I do to that person.
Yes, tama. Kasi yung commitment talaga isang napaka-importanting bagay na yan. That's very serious. And once na mag-commit ka sa isang tao, make sure na talagang faithful ka sa kanya at yung ready ka na talaga. Kasi hindi yan basta-basta lang na bagay. So, thank you. Next. Ano si Jennifer? Muchi. Hello.
Straight to this.
Pwede daw siyang maulit-ulit ko ano ba mo dun sa fans day. Kasi hindi namin napanood. Time na binigyan ng promise ring.
Yung vow kay Erich, I promise that I will always be your balancing line. Kumbaga, di ba tayo parang minsan may mga dumadating tayong bad news, may mga good news naman. So I promise Erich na whatever happens in your life, kapag good, I'll be your pinakamakulit na kaibigan. I will be your mang-aasar. Pero kapag bad mood ka naman, I will always bring joy to your life.
Oh, okay na.
Thank you, Globies. Hello,
Hello,
hello.
Globies. Ay, hindi. Ang question, lumayo ka sa akin. So, niya kasi no, yung may lasa na malaki. Next, tama.
Hello. Hi, Rich and Sean. I'm from Venus, France. And first off, I just want to congratulate you all for a very, very nice movie out there this afternoon with Ninyo. And